Look at a big massive lamb chops. Look how big it is. Big and massive chops. Looking forward to cook it. It's gonna be yummy and delicious. I love it when you cook it and soft as and you just eat and the meat just come out of the bone. It's gonna be so delicious. And I hopefully gonna enjoy this, and I'll show you when it's cooked. And I'll eat it and I'll show you how beautiful this lovely yummy neck chops. Hopefully God will bless you more and more people to share and subscribe for more of our YouTube channel. If you are a new one, please share it for people around the world to keep love God and thanks God and Jesus for our food and keep stay in God's side, because when he comes on resurrection, on the also on the revelations, we all go and stay in heaven and eat lamb and whatever we like. God will give it to us in the name of Jesus. Love you people. God bless you, and I hopefully do show you more when it finished cooked today. Thank you, and God bless you people. Have a blessing Sunday. Love you people. See how yummy it is when it's cooked. Thank you for watching. See you more next time.